analog to digital converter system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of analog to digital converter system using MSP430 LunchBox from Shashank. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of analog to digital converter system using MSP430 LunchBox. So let's get it started.
Good morning. I am Shashank from NSUT, MTech EVLSI, Electronics and Communication Department. I have made a project based on MSP430 microcontroller, which is basically a microcontroller. The particular MSP which I have used in this project is MSP430 G2553, and the project objective is to convert the analog values to the digital output, which will result into the digital voltage, which will be generated using the analog pin which we have been using here by connecting the potentiometer data out pin to the analog pin of the MSP430. So it basically it can be used in many kind of sensors, and it reads analog voltages using the Code Composer Studio, and we will be interfacing a small potentiometer to the MSP board and supply and varying the voltage to an analog pin, and read the voltage and display it on the serial monitor and the LCD display. And basically this microcontroller, as we know, it is a digital device, meaning it can understand only ones and zeros, but in real world almost everything like temperature, humidity, speed, etc. are analog in nature. So in order to interact with these analog changes, the microcontroller uses a module called ADC. There are many different type of ADC modules available. The one which we have used in our MSP is SAR 8 channel 10-bit ADC. So it basically works with the help of comparator and some logic converters. So the speed of the comparison depends upon the clock frequency which we have been using in this MSP board. So now the ADC, the question is how the ADC values are being calculated. So basically the voltage which we need to generate, it is being divided by the steps, like 1024 steps, the default steps, and by dividing that the ADC values are being generated. So in this potentiometer is being used as an analog reading thing, in which we can see the middle pin, the data out pin, is connected to one of the analog pin of the MSP430, which is taking input from it and converting the digital outputs. And also you can see like this potentiometer is also varying the brightness of the LCD display. And also, as I have uploaded the code, you can see here this LED is blinking with having some delay. So let us run the CCS code. So here is the code I can explain to you. In this we have defined certain libraries like stdio.h for mathematical operations, as we will be using for voltage conversion. And we have defined 4 digital pins of the LCD display like D4, D5, D6, D7 to the certain ports of our MSP430. And here we have provided some sort of delay which will be generating the output after certain time. And this is the whole logic behind it. As you can see, like we have initialized the input pin, which is P1.0. Here we can see the P1.0 pin is being used for the analog conversion, and this is the logic which is behind printing the outputs. We have used 6000 millisecond delay to generate the output here. Now let us run the code. So as you can see, the code is successfully built, and we have successfully built the project, and the following converter will be generating the ADC output.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.